One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And what I've got here for you today is an absolutely gorgeous BMW 750iL. It's a one owner car, the V12 baby, the flagship of flagships, and it's a great investment car. Not only is it a great investment car, it's a great sedan. It's a great car, great daily driver. What more could you possibly need in life than a nice 750iL? Well, I don't know. It's nice. M-series wheels, all that good stuff. Just beautiful. This is the exterior video. I'm going to go around it. And we actually forgot to put a plate on it, so I'm getting that right now. You want to buy an SL? Got an SL for sale. Nice SL. Yeah, baby. Wheels, whole shot. It's coming up. Anything like this you need, you're on my channel. And make you do. Yeah, pipes, baby. Pipes, baby. I'll be right back. Okay, got the plate on. Back to the review. Like I said, it's going to be an exterior review. This is the same car that Tupac got got shot in. If you don't know who that is or whatever, you can look it up. They're asking, they got his car that he got shot in Las Vegas for $1.5 million. Well, this one ain't anywhere near $1.5 million. He was thinking 100 grand plus or minus new. Great investment car. You're going to love it. If you're looking for one, you need to call me because this thing's clean as can be. Underneath, it's a clean car. On the top, clean car. Just clean car. All the moldings on the bottom, nice. Bumpers. It has the sensors for the when you get too close to something. Bumpers all look good. All the lines, good. I mean, the car looks great. Little tiny rock chippage type chips here and there, sprinkled throughout the hood. There's a small ding right in here somewhere. It's so small, it's right there. There's a ding and a ding. You just can't see it. Right there. That's it. And that's the second one. So there's one there and one there. Pretty straight everywhere else on the hood. Going down the side. It's a straight car and it's in black. I don't see any body work or nothing like that. There's a ding right there. Looks like somebody ding door dinged it. Little scratch on the door handle. I'll shoot back down the side. Somebody's calling me now, of course. Okay, so a couple cracks in that back light right there. These all do this on these cars, and this one has a crack. Little fading right here. And this is the one area where there could have been paint work, but if there was, man, they did a good job. I don't know. I would say probably, but very professionally or something. I don't know. It's just odd that it's faded here, but nowhere else. And this clear coat is faded right along that piece. Now, a guy could get this panel right there matched and color blended. I did not want to do any body work to it or do anything or make it seem like I'm hiding anything. You can fix that. And if you're standing here looking at this car, you don't see that. You get up on the car close and you see it when you're getting in. Nobody sees it anywhere else. So I didn't even want to mess with it. I think it just should be, personally, I'd wax it and preserve it. Deck lid, all that stuff. Clean, 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 clean. Bumpers, clean. This part right here. You can see it this here better. It's faded. It's faded. And all the bumpers do that at some point. I feel like the car's been all garaged and everything because it's just so clean. These wheels, cracks on this one too, by the way. All these BMW lights, they seem really crackage prone. BMW M-series wheels. I think somebody painted those calipers red. Lots of tread. In fact, I still got the maker's mark in between and part of the little titties everywhere. And they're a Kumho Exta LX tire. Nice tires. Staggered with the bigger wheel in the back and the smaller wheel in the front. Awesome stuff. Look at the dry rot started in the front one on that side. Plenty of tread, but just the car didn't get driven a lot. Oh, bet. Same thing here. A little bit of dry rot on the front of this. I didn't see any on the back. Probably because he burnt the back ones off and replaced them, huh? It's a teeny bit. Just not as bad, though. So, yeah, and the wheels. There's a little scuff there, tiny. And let's look at them all. We're here. We're doing it. You're previewing. There's a little chunk out of that one. And I like to make sure to show everything. God, that wheel's nice. Nice little scratch or something right there. Tiny. And the M series thing is missing on that one. Little sticker. And he didn't curve this side, did he? It's got the M series. So yeah, that's a little chip there. Nope, that wasn't even chip. I'm thorough. If nothing else, I try and be thorough. No M series sticker. M series sticker is on that one. Okay, is there dents and dings on this side? Not so to speak, but there's something. There's something on every car. I guarantee it. I don't know if you remember that one. Justin Wilson? I forget what the guy's name was. He ran the cooking show. Little scratchy ding right there. Chippy ding. There you go. A chippy ding. Oh, mirror has some delaminating of the clear coat, I guess you'd call it. Got this fender and everything straight. I just don't see any dingage, so to speak. God, it's clean. There's something I'm missing. How's that? Ooh, a little scuff is right there. Scuff is something. Some little mark right there. And around the window right here, this piece, they kind of do that sometimes. And this one has done that, where it's starting to get a little bit sketchy on the, like that, just came right off. It needs the new trim piece or molding. Don't need that antenna no more. That ain't how mobile phones work, is it? Okay, that's the bad, the good, the ugly. Sensors in the rear bumpers as well. V12, baby. V12. 750iL. Showed you in the trunk. Showed you all that yesterday. Look at that bottom spoiler and everything. Just in great shape. Great shape. I think it's factory tint on the windows. A couple little bubbles in it. I don't know how dark they were originally. And this is faded a little bit on this piece. Like I say, this is easy to touch up and have sprayed to match the car, but I didn't want to do anything to it. I think they're a heated mirror because it's separating in there. And it's still fine, you can see in it, but I want to be totally upfront with that. I was going to show you the mirrors worked yesterday. No clear coat fade really on this one, but a little scuff right there. And it's all good. Okay, well that is the car. That is what I'm showing you. You know what? That piece has a little piece of rubber molding in it too, and it's kind of gone there. See, this one, most of these you see will have it all taken out because it starts flipping off and people just pick it all out. This one still has it. It's just getting old and crusted. It's rubber. How old is this car, man? 10, 22, 23 years? Something like that? 23 years? I don't know. 22. Okay, let's go for a little test drive and do it to it. Oh, gougey crack in that piece right there, that plastic molding. My hands are filthy. I'm sorry, I've been working on cars all day. I just want to make sure and show you absolutely everything. And now I have keys in my pocket. Usually leave them in the car. Okay, here we go. And there's your key fob and your valet key, I think you'd call it. Oh God, I love the sound of one of these. So nice. Had the radio on a little bit. Had to talk over it. Okay. I love the sound of this car. I'd love to put some pipes on it. Okay, so going for a quick test drive. The car's smooth. It stops like it should. It runs like it should. It shifts like it should. If you really get on the brakes, you can hear a little something in the front. I'll bet you it's going to need pads at some point, but it stops great. I'm going to do this here. I'm going to slow down coming up this here road at the top, and I will get on it a little bit. Here we go, here we go. Wrong power band for it. Oh, that was in fourth. Didn't catch that bottom gear. Very nice runner, very good car. I enjoy driving the car. And there you can hear that front a little bit. We'll go dust that Mustang. You're at the speed limit before you can even say anything. I mean, you're just right there. It's a quick car. Quick car. And it's a good running car. I haven't had any complaints. I've drove it around a couple 100 miles or so. There's a little bit of a squeak from the clock spring and the steering wheel, just kind of normal type things as you get an older car. I can't say anything bad about it. I can't. It runs great. Shifts great. I rarely drive V12s around. Just don't want to break something times two. I've been driving this around and I really do trust the car. I think it's a good car. It's old. Anything can break anytime. But this thing seems to be, it seems like somebody took care of it. That's all I know. One owner, you pay that kind of money for something like this, I guarantee you too, you take care of it. I've got a little bit longer of a test drive in the interior video that I did the other night. Yeah, it's just a beautiful car. So, my name's Nathan. It's 406-546-8748. OneOwnerCarGuy.com for the website. That's like 2/3 throttle, man. Oh, we got a road hazard. That's okay. We can steer out of the way with our driving sports car. AC is cold. I just can't tell you much, if anything, bad about the car. Showed you the exterior and all that. I got lots of stuff for sale. Check my website. There's an Excursion. There's Cadillacs and Mercedes down there. There's a CLK 500 up here. There's a Magnum. There's that SL that's for sale. There's a GL for sale. There's a Hearse for sale. S500 is the only thing that's really not for sale up here. And I got a bunch more at my other lot. So, well, actually, at 3 other lots. So you need to call me if you're interested in pretty much any old, cool, classic car. I've got some of those S500s that don't have the pipes and horns. This here I cleaned up a little bit, and it's kind of worn down. It needs to be dyed. Easy deal. That's the deal. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Whatever it is, wherever you are. This is the car. It's a great car. Did I tell you about mirrors and then I didn't do them? I sure did. So I'm going to put this down, get back in my car. Yes, the phone works, but as with any old car, out, in, up, down. Unless you're the guy that originally owned the car, out, in, up, down. If you still have a account hooked up to that, and it's cool too because when you do it, it shuts off the radio even, and everything goes through the car speakers. So it's really cool. But if you have an account with T-Mobile or somebody and you've never given up that account, I guess you can still have the phone. If you've ever given up that account, you can't hook them back up because 911 can't tell where you are. That's my understanding of those phones. Maybe you understand different and you can hook them up somehow. No clue. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Whatever it is, wherever you are, subscribe. All kinds of videos on here on YouTube. We'll talk to you. I'm going to go down the other side. I got to show you the other side. Just because how cool. Look at that car. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.